Alright, here goes a startup of the RCA. 74 degrees outside right now, 42% humidity. It's pretty warm out there. Hold on, I have to actually plug it in first. Hold on. Okay, so here you guys go. Sounds like it's freezing up. I hear a little crackling in there. Is it freezing up? Oh, it's freezing up alright. That ain't good. That's not good at all. I'll let the pressure stabilize, but it's starting to freeze up. That's not good. I'll wait until the refrigerant pressures stabilize and see if it thaws out, but it's freezing up. I've never done that before. It's blowing moderately cold. I'm gonna give it some time to work and see if things change. It's starting to get colder. But yeah, it was freezing up. Not good. Not good at all. That is not a good sign. Let me check it again. It thawed out. Yep, it thawed out. So, guess the refrigerant pressure just had to stabilize for a second. It's blowing ice cold now. Medium cool. High cool. Low cool. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's the cold air. That's what I'm talking about. That's seriously cold air. Vintage units are still better though. If I had a vintage unit, hey, I would have took it. I would have used that vintage unit forever. You know, vintage units were good, man. If only they were still built today. These new modern units, they're not that good. Vintage is where it's at. Vintage units blew colder, they were more reliable, better built. New units, not so much. Compressor only. and off. Hear the refrigerant inside of it. Beautiful day.